So a lot of cars were recalled after production abroad, but most of these cars didn't get returned to the company for error correction and all that. It got sold out, some imported into Nigeria and other countries. So today I'll be giving you a list of these cars and the issues that they were recalled for. It's not as if I'm saying these cars are bad, because it might be a minor issue and it might be a big issue. But the point is to tell you that if you end up seeing all these issues in your car after you bought them from a dealer, so you won't be thinking that these cars were bad already and the dealer just sold it to you as a bad car. And in most cases, these dealers, they don't know about them, that these things are factory errors. So that is the point of the video and the list. So the first one on my list here is the Range Rover Evoque 2012 to 2017 and the Range Rover Vogue 2013 to 2016. And the issues are software issues causing sudden shutdown, air suspension may fail, and faulty front seat belts. This doesn't mean that every Range Rover Vogue or Evoque has this fault, but some are likely to develop it. So when it comes up, don't think the dealer sold a bad car to you. These are factory errors that have been told by the owners and by the producers of these cars to return them for the error to be fixed, but some of them never got to make it back to the factory. So that is that about the first one. So the second one here is Mercedes-Benz C-Class from 2008 to 2014. The first one says airbag may not deploy, like when you have an accident, the airbag may not deploy. Then also the steering column issues. This doesn't mean that all all C-Class 2008, 2014 have these issues. They tend to develop the issues. So when it happens, don't say it's also to you by a dealer that is bad. No, it's a factory error. The third one is Toyota RAV4 2006 to 2014. Rear suspension may break. Airbag and seat belt issues. This does not mean that all RAV4 of this year has this issue. But if it happens to your car along the line, no, it's a factory error. Before we move to the last one, if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow, share, and like. And if you want us to talk about some other cars for you, send a DM or drop it in the comment section. So the last one is Toyota Camry 2007-2017. Before I even read what I have in my list, let me tell you my own personal opinion that you cannot escape as a Toyota Camry user from 2007-2017. Number one, this oil leak on the top part of the engine. You cannot use a Camry for straight 1 year, even if it's foreign use, and you will not experience this little oil leak on the upper parts. Yes. Number two, if you are driving the Toyota Camry from 2012 upward, there's something they call column in the steering part. You go start to make noise. You know that won't take escape arm. You're not careful. The third one is weight. In 2011 upward, you need to get that weight issue. There's something they call weight under the car engine. It's not a big deal, but it will happen. So when it happens to you, don't feel it's a bad car that was sold to you, but it's an error that was made at the factory, and some of these cars has been recalled to correct these errors. So let us know if you have other videos you want us to make for you, to make explanations in the DM. Bye.